CoinSafe is the latest, most amazing product OneCoin has to offer you today.
You know and I know that the coin value is the most important part of our business. When the coin increases in value, we secure our future.
When you save all your coin, you get interest. And also, when the coin value is rise, you also get more.
Yes, it's similar like fixed deposits, it's similar like gold deposits. But now the world changed and this cryptocurrency is giving you a brilliant idea about this CoinSafe. Whatever the money you invested, you just keep it safe into CoinSafe and you just calculate the interest.
You can get that nowhere. There's no bank on this planet where you get that interest.
Now with CoinSafe, you lock your coins 1 year, 18 months or 24 months. It's up to you. But what you're doing is you're securing your financial future.
You bring all your coins you have, you bring it in a safe, and you have a double of a benefit. One benefit, you get immediately an interest from 12% for 2 years.
So if you lock away 1,000 coins for 12 months, on day number 1, you receive an extra 100 coins up front, and now you have 1,100 coins instead of 1,000 coins going up in value over the course of the next 12 months. And if you want an even bigger benefit and more profit, then you can choose to do it for 24 months and get an extra 2% for a total of 12% on your coins. So if you were to do the same thing, if you were to lock away 1,000 coins, then you'd get an immediate 120 coins added to your OneCoin balance, and now you got 1,120 coins going up in value over the course of 24 months. So if you know the vision of the company and you know you're going to be holding on to your coins, you don't want to miss out on the CoinSafe product to earn extra money for free.
CoinSafe just save money and makes money too.
Well, thank you, Dr. Ruza and Sebastian, for creating this wonderful program for us and change million people are in the world.
By saving money, you can make even more money.
Save money, make money with CoinSafe.